Chapter 4. Birds Around Us. Birds are beautiful living creatures. We see many birds around us. Most birds can fly. Different birds have different eating and nesting habits. Body of a bird. The body of a bird is shaped like a boat. It has two eyes and a pointed head with a beak. This is called a streamlined body. This helps it to fly. It has a tail and a pair of wings and legs. It has no external ears like us. It has tiny openings under the feathers on the sides of the head. These help the birds to hear. The body of a bird is light in weight due to hollow bones. This helps it to fly. Every body part has a special function for birds. The smallest bird in the world is the hummingbird, which weighs only 1.6 grams. It has a long and pointed beak. Beaks. Birds do not have teeth to chew or bite. They eat with the help of their beaks. Different birds have different types of beaks. The type of beak depends on the feeding habit of the bird. Short and hard beak. Some birds like sparrows, peacocks, pigeons have short, hard and pointed beaks. These help them to eat seeds and grains. Strong, sharp and hooked beak. Some birds like owls, eagles and vultures have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. It helps them to tear the flesh of animals like rat, frog, snake and squirrel. Strong and curved beak. Birds like parrot have a strong and curved beak. It helps it to crack hard fruits and nuts. Long and slender beak. A hoopoo bird has a long and slender beak. It can pull out insects from holes in the ground. Strong and chisel-shaped beak. A woodpecker has a strong and chisel-shaped beak. It helps the bird to drill holes in trees to take out insects. Broad and flat beak. A duck has a broad and flat beak. There are small holes on the sides of its beak. It takes in muddy water with insects, worms and plants. The mud and water flows out through the small holes and leaves insects, plants and worms inside its beak. Feet and claws. Along with beak, feet and claws help a bird to catch and eat food. These also help a bird to move around and keep safe from other animals. There are different types of claws in different birds. Flesh-eating birds, eagle, hawk and owl have sharp and curved claws. These are called talons. They grab their prey like rats and snakes with these talons. Swimming birds. Duck and geese have webbed feet. The three front toes have a skin-like web between them. There is one toe at the back. The webbed feet helps water birds to swim. Perching birds. Crow, sparrow, myna and pigeon use their feet to hold on to tree branches and wires. This is called perching. They use their three front toes as we use our fingers and the back toes as we use our thumb. Climbing birds. Parrot and woodpecker have two toes pointing upwards and two toes pointing downwards. These help them to climb up and hold on to trees. Wading birds. Cranes and herons have long and thin legs. Their spread out toes help them to walk in a muddy pond without sinking. This movement is called wading. Scratching birds. Hens, roosters and peacocks dig out insects and worms from the ground. They have strong legs and sharp and hard claws from scratching the ground. Feathers and wings. Feathers cover the body of a bird. They help to keep its body warm. There are three types of feathers on a bird's body. These are down feathers. These are fluffy and keep the bird's body warm. These are close to the skin. Body feathers. These cover the complete body of the bird and give it a curved shape. Flight feathers. These are large in size and found in wings and tail. They help the bird to fly and change direction while flying. A bird has a pair of wings. Wings have feathers which help it to fly. A bird makes two kinds of movements while flying. Upstroke. In this movement, the wings are moved upwards and backwards by the bird. Downstroke. In this movement, the bird moves its wings downwards and forward. Look at these newborn birds. Their bodies are covered with lots of down feathers. Nests of birds. Birds make nests when they have to lay eggs. Nests keep them and their young ones safe from enemies and bad weather. Birds use small twigs, leaves, thread, wool, feathers, hair, and cotton to make nests. A tailor bird uses its beak to sew leaves with materials like thread, straw, and dry wings. The nest is stuffed with materials like cotton, wool, hair, or dry grass to keep it cozy. Eagles and vultures use twigs to make their nests. They arrange these twigs in the shape of a shallow cup. Eagles make nests on high rocks. These are called eyries. Penguins live in icy places where twigs, straw, and grass are not easily available. They collect pebbles and stones to build their nests on the ground. Owl and woodpecker build their nests inside trees. The woodpecker pecks a tree trunk using its beak to make a hole in it. It then lines the inside of the nest with chips of wood to make it comfortable.